Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I hope you've had a very good weekend. Welcome to another video. Yes, the zombies are outside, but I'm going to stay right here where it's safe for now to bring you the unboxing of this, the classic George A. Romero's Dawn of the Dead. We're going to open it up, take a first look to see what it's like, then we're going to pop it in the 4K player in the other room and just see what it's all about. Please consider pressing that subscribe button down below for lots more videos if you can. And as always, please feel free to get involved in those comments down below as well. For this video, I would love to know, have you got Dawn of the Dead in 4K yet? And if so, what is it like? Now, this has just arrived from HMV on its release date here in the UK. I know if you were lucky enough to order it from Second Sight, you would have received it a week earlier. I've been watching lots of videos on YouTube from those guys that have received it from Second Sight, and I know you do get some special cards if you have ordered from Second Sight website. I don't think we're going to get the cards in this. The other thing I also noticed with Second Sight is the way they packed this. It comes in a big box, and when you open the box up, there's loads of polystyrene and real thick bubble wrap in there. This has just arrived from HMV. Now, there's a slight dent in there, which is quite concerning, but it also, there's no, if I slide it, you can hear it sliding. So there's no packing in there. I'm hoping it's going to be okay. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, let's start this unboxing. As I said, you've got a little dent there, which is a little bit concerning, and no packing inside. Hopefully it won't be damaged. Oh, there is a little bit of packing inside, which is good news. Still sliding inside the box though, so there's a tiny little bit of packing in there. Let's take it out. Throw the box out of the way, just check it through at the moment. It looks in pretty good shape. Okay, let's just take this wrapping off and open it up. So pleased it's not damaged. It's nothing worse than receiving things through and they're damaged. It's good to have them on video as well. So okay, so let's take you around the box. It's got the original artwork. Just the side of the box. Special features. Not much to see under there. Okay, so if we lift it out, okay, so you've got this first of all, what it sits in. The first thing I've noticed about this is the heaviness of it. It's really heavy. Okay, so we have some wording on the back, moving around to the side. So obviously it was directed by George A. Romero. There's 7 discs in total, including 3 audio CDs. The first thing I've noticed is this box. It's really heavy to hold, and it's quite tough, which is what I like. The original artwork on the front there. So place this down. So I'm just trying to look to, obviously, to get it in camera view as well. Take the lid off. And that's what the set comes like. we take all these out. I'll get to them in a minute. I'll show you this box that it comes in. Is really tough. This set's going to last a long time in a box like this. I wish they all came like this. Just really solid. Okay, let's put that to the side. Let's see what we get. The artwork is stunning. Let's open this first box up. There's 3 different cuts of the movie, and the last one, move that back to try and fit it all in, is the special features. I know with the theatrical cut you got the you got different commentaries on there by George Romero, Christine Forrest. You got new commentary by Travis Crawford. Excuse me, lose my voice. Travis Crawford. There's just so much on there. If I turn around, this might be the best way to do this. It goes, you can see it goes, continues right the way along. It's just brilliant. So the theatrical cut, I'm going to pop in the 4K player in a minute and we'll take a first look and see what pops up. Next up must be your audio CDs. Again, another really good box. I'm not too familiar with the Dawn of the Dead music, but I can see from the tracks there are just so many different tracks on there, which is unbelievable. If I turn it on the back, so just a great picture. So 7 discs in total, and obviously you've got the 3 audio CDs here, 3 different cuts of the movie, and 1 bonus disc as well. We also get these 2 books, and this one is really good. It's a hardback, actually quite heavy. It's over 150 pages. Over 150 pages. There's different, I'm not going to show you it all, if I can get it into the camera. There's different essays in there, and you've got some pictures, lots of different still shots. Sorry, that's it. It's going to be a really interesting read. Just so many different pictures. And that is over 150 pages. A really good book. That's probably one book I'm going to be reading first. Hardback as well. And lastly, we get this novel by George A. Romero, Dawn of the Dead. I haven't actually read the book, so definitely going to be reading this one as well. Just over 225 pages of that one. So we're getting the novel. We're getting a hardback book with all different essays and behind the scenes and lots of different pictures. We're also getting the audio discs. We're getting all the different cuts, including the special features. You'd have to have a look online. There are just so many to read out, different features. It's hours and hours worth, which is really good. And then we're getting this tough box as well that it all fits inside. And that is the complete set. So pleased I brought it. Okay, so let's open this one up and pop it in the 4K player in the other room. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we've got the theatrical version in the 4K player. It's come up with the main menu. At the bottom we've got play film, scene selection, setup, and commentaries. If we go in commentaries, there's all your different commentaries. Commentary by Travis Crawford. Let's take a look at the movie. If we go to scene selection, and if we go across to number 3, really good quality for an old movie. Come out of there. Let's move along a bit. Go to number 9.
They're still here.
They're after us. They know we're still in here. They're after the place. They don't know why. They just remember. Remember that they want to be in here.
What the hell are they?
They're us, that's all.
It is such an amazing set, so many features in there. I can't wait to watch it in 4K. It's probably one of the best sets around, certainly one of the best I've ever owned. That's about it from me, guys. This Friday is exactly 1 year to the day since I showed my face on YouTube. Wow, I cannot believe it. So please join me Saturday for a celebration video where I'm going to be having a little competition. You could be in with a chance of winning 1 or even maybe 3 Amazon vouchers. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, answer a couple of questions, and third prize gets a £25 Amazon voucher, second prize gets a £25 Amazon voucher, and first prize gets a £40 Amazon voucher. More details Saturday. Please do join me Saturday. Also, please feel free to get involved in the comments below as well. Have you got Dawn of the Dead in 4K yet? And if so, what is it like? If you like this video, please do give it a like. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe if you can. You've been watching Carl on the channel Carlinio9. Please do join me Saturday. I'll see you Saturday. Bye bye.